Are you curious about how AI can revolutionize your daily tasks? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of generative AI and focusing on a powerful tool, Data Analyst. But what exactly is Data Analyst and how can you leverage it in your everyday life? Stay tuned as we explore its potential and show you practical ways to use it. First, let's break down what Data Analyst is. Essentially, it's an AI-powered tool designed to help you analyze and interpret complex data, making it easier to make informed decisions. Now, let's see it in action with some real-world examples. Imagine you're running a small business and need to understand your sales trends. Data Analyst can quickly process your sales data and generate insightful reports. For instance, you can identify which products are performing best, analyze customer purchasing patterns, and even forecast future sales. Next, let's look at how data analysts can assist with personal finance. By inputting your monthly expenses, the tool can help you create a budget, track spending habits, and identify areas where you can save money. It's like having a personal financial advisor right at your fingertips. Finally, for students and researchers, Data Analyst can be a game changer. If you're working on a research project, you can use the tool to analyze large datasets, identify trends, and visualize your findings. This can save you countless hours of manual data processing. Note, Data Analyst is a tool powered by artificial intelligence. It may produce inaccurate information about the data you provide as input, so it's recommended to always do a double check. To recap, we have explored how data analysts can enhance business decision-making, personal finance management, and academic research. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the notification bell for more exciting content on AI and data analytics. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video. See you soon. Ciao!